Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Google Chrome push notification delivery problems, step by step, updated for 2026. Push notifications can fail due to permission issues, blocked service workers, browser settings, or network errors. Let's start. First, check site permissions. Open settings, privacy and security, site settings, notifications. Make sure the website is allowed to send notifications. If blocked, click Allow. Next, open developer tools using Control plus Shift plus I on Windows or Command plus Option plus I on Mac. Go to the Application tab, arrow Service Workers. Ensure the site's service worker is active and running. Push notifications rely on service workers. If the service worker is inactive or corrupted, right-click it and select Unregister. Then reload the site to register a fresh service worker. Check browser cache. Go to Settings arrow. Privacy and Security arrow. Clear browsing data, select cached images and files, and clear. Corrupted cache can prevent notifications from firing. Also, review extensions. Open Chrome // extensions and temporarily disable ad blockers, privacy, or notification blocking extensions. These often interfere with push delivery. Ensure your internet connection is stable and firewall or antivirus settings are not blocking push traffic. Finally, update Chrome via Chrome // settings / help and restart the browser. Newer versions improve notification handling and fix related bugs. And that's it. By managing site permissions, inspecting service workers, clearing cache, disabling conflicting extensions, and updating Chrome, you can fix most push notification delivery problems effectively. If this guide helped you, like the video, share it, and subscribe for more step-by-step Chrome troubleshooting tutorials.